Have you ever noticed when someone yawns, you suddenly feel like yawning too? Yawning is more than just a sign of being tired. It's one of nature's most mysterious behaviors, and science is finally uncovering why. One leading theory is the brain cooling effect. When you yawn, the intake of air helps regulate your brain's temperature, keeping it sharp. But why is it contagious? That's your mere neurons at work, the same cells that allow us to feel empathy and connect with those around us. So the next time you yawn, remember, your brain is just taking a breath to stay at its best. I'm for infinite horizons.